It's your boy, Daniel Everything here. And today, when was the last time I did a 2K rebuild? So we here, on 2K26 this time. We here doing a Brooklyn Nets rebuild because, I'll be honest with you, I have not rebuilt this new team yet. I seen them play today. Almost beat the Cavs from a 25-point lead. We were down 25. We caught back up. I think this team can do it. I'm going to be honest with you. There is some adjustments that could be made, but overall, this team can do it. So, yeah, y'all. So, I haven't done this in a while because I haven't played 2K in a while. But right here, this is our lineup. I did start from today, by the way. So, we got our first rookie. I don't understand how an 8th overall pick is a 72. An 8th overall pick is a 72. Cam Thomas, MPJ, which I don't understand how MPJ is higher than Cam Thomas. If you look at the stats shows why. We're going to run it how he runs it in real life, how Jordy runs it. Jordy runs the lineups like this, and then we run Ben Saraf. Never mind, Saraf. Oh, heck no. Hey, we're going to run the lineup like this. I'm not starting Ben Saraf. None of the other rookies are going to get starting minutes. Could be possible. Could be. But the first thing I want to do, one thing I notice about this team, Nick Claxton cannot be our center. I might tank this year that we pull off a trade for a great center. But I think we can make the playoffs. I'm going to be honest with you. So we are playing. So I'm looking for trades for Nick Claxton. By the way, this is not a real rebuild. This is a rebuild off of my opinion. So, to be honest with you, I'm trading Claxton. I need a better center. I'm not giving. I don't know. I mean, what? So, say if I go talk to the Jazz, right? But I'm not doing this pick because Robert Williams is not getting run. I think the reason why I'm trading him is Claxton can't play defense. Claxton is just a run heavy big. He needs to be replaced by a great center. One center that's in mine is Walter Kessler. He's 245. I'll give up Ben Saraf. There's no problems between me and Ben. I just don't like Ben. And I'll give you our 2029 first round pick. I'll give you 2 first round picks. What's a team that's not going to be good? Why do we have no picks? Well, I thought the Nets have a pick this year. That's interesting. We actually cannot tank. I'm tripping. So yeah, nah. Okay. Bye-bye, Ben Saraf. So, this is our lineup. Igor, Cam. Play through star, okay. Igor, Cam, Michael. I don't like how they run this. Igor, Cam. I want to run Zaire. Because Zaire is so good. Like, I'm noticing that this team is great. So, our lineup is Igor, Cam, Man. Man, it reminds me of an evil person. Man, MPJ, Walter Kessler, Zaire, Clowney, Sharp, Wilson, Martin. That's our lineup going into. Hold up, I don't even think going into next year. So hopefully we win. So I'm about to see you guys at the end of this year. Peace. We might have made the play in 40 and 42. Does that allow? Does that allow? Wait, it said quick. Oh, clutch. Does that allow us? I can't even speak. How to ban? Does that allow us to get to the NBA first team? Igor is. Hey, I'm not surprised he didn't win rookie. That gave us the fifth seed. Fifth seed. Let me show y'all the standings real quick. Look at this. How often does a 40 and 42 team make the playoffs? How often? How often, chat? Look how bad the East was behind us. Wizards went 12 and 70. Is that a sign? Could be. Igor with 13. Cam with 27. Wilson with 7. Sharp with 11. Walter Kessler with 8. Zaire off the 6th man with 13. How much is MPJ is averaging? MPJ is averaging 16. That proves Cam is carrying the heck out of us. Game 1, we win. Cam scored, or that might be your A. I doubted Igor. I'm gonna be honest with you. He can. He carried us. Igor carried us game 1. We lost game 2. Cam with 36, 1 and 3. Some people are saying that this is his real stats. Cam don't be putting up that much stats. Cam just put up 9 assists today. Paulo with 33, France with 29, Desmond with 17. I forgot we're facing the newly acquired Orlando duel. It's about to be a hard playoff series. Come on. I mean, it's just game 1. It's just year 1. So do it really matter though if we make the? It would be great. Okay, never mind. We choked the lead. Harden, Knicks, and Clippers in the finals, and Knicks win. What is that? I did not know they started doing this. Like, do we have a pick this year? Rockets on our pick. You know what I noticed 2K forgot to do? 2K forgot to give us our pick back from Rockets. But it's whatever. We ain't drafting nobody this year. We're running it back with the same lineup. I gotta bring back Cam Thomas because this man's a free agent. If y'all didn't know, I gotta bring back all of them. Qualifying, Cameron, Tyrese, and Jalen Wilson. You guys are not leaving. So the first main dude is Cam Thomas. Like, we can let everybody else walk, but Cam Thomas is getting a contract. That might be Glaze, but Cam Thomas is getting a contract no matter what. So yeah, we about to sign him for $20 million. Sean Marks did not give him that money, so we about to give him that money. I'm telling you, I'm a better version of Sean Marks. $20 million. Then, right. Then we go to Walter Kessler because we need a big man. And we're going to offer Walter Kessler 23. And then, okay. Should I pick up Kobe Buffkin back? We could still afford a relatively good. Hold up. We can afford a relatively good big. we're running Igor. Igor's our point guard of the future. We're running Cam. I would rather run Cam and Drake Powell. Small forward is MPJ, Zaire. Man, that's perfect. Power forward is Clowney, Danny Wolf, and then it's. Do we really need another player though? Do we? I'll be honest with you. This team looked fine to me. I don't think we make another move. Maybe another guard. I don't know. What move do I make? Let's bring back Tyrese Martin, right? Oh, I could bring back Keon. No, let's bring back Tyrese. I'll bring back Tyrese on like a 3-year deal. Then we gonna see you guys next year with this same lineup.
A few moments later.
Chat, we're back. Wemby, Daryl Peterson, Jaden Ivey, Wemby. It's gonna be Wemby every year. That's how it is. And Mike Brown and Jordan Hobbits. I don't know how to pronounce that. Is there any Nets? Walter Kessler. Defensive first team. Do we have a better record than last year? Yes, we do. Because guess what? We're the 4th seed. And as the 4th seed, hold up. We are. Yep, no, we definitely have a better record than last year. Because last year we didn't even have a winning record. No moves. We only brought back the same people. We are a better seed than last year. It really don't matter that you need to make moves. You don't have to make moves. Cam Thomas with 27. MPJ with 15. Whoa. I thought MPJ could score like that. Igor 13. Nolan 12. Dayron 11. Kessler 10. Zaire 10. Noah 9. Drake Powell 5. Danny Wolf 5. I mean, this team is not looking bad if you really look at it, though. This Nets team is not looking that bad. Now we're doing the Battle of New York. So good. That's why it was just a 50 overall. So they got. This is how we're gonna do this. Jalen Buston's better. Oh, we're going by overall rise. Yeah, nah. That proved that they might beat us. End of the 1st seed. So game 1, we win by 4. Cam Thomas with 21. Igor with 19 and 12. Game 2. We win. Win by 10 with Cam Thomas with 33. Dayron with 27 and 12. Do we need Claxton? Do we need Claxton in real life? Dayron is putting up 27 points and 12 rebounds. Cam score. This though do for like a Cam stat line too. Game 3, we win. What's his stat line now? 33-0-3 with MPJ and Zaire both in the double digits. Over 15. We win game 4 with Dayron dropping 29, chat. Dayron dropped 29. Dayron might be a starting center. Hey, we might flip Walter Kessler next year. We might flip him. Game 1, we win by 7. Cam Thomas with 26 and Igor with 18. Cam Thomas is averaging 30, by the way. Look, 2K is so rigged. Cam Thomas is averaging 30 as a 83 overall. Name an 83 overall in 2K that can average 30 in the playoffs. Nobody. We lose game 3 by 27 and Nolan Traore. Whoa. Okay. Game 3 we lose. Or game 4 we lost by 5. Are we gonna win? Let's see. Should I close my eyes? Nah. Because I see we're losing already. We lost. Okay. A Cooper Flag and that Dallas Mavericks team is your NBA champions. We got the 8th overall pick. We're projected the 8th, and we get and Sixers get 3rd pick. We get the 20th pick. Houston got 3rd pick. Damn, we lost. We lost it all. So we got the 20th pick. Let me make sure I have Jordy, my coach, still. Okay, Jordy. Look how realistic Jordy Fernandez looks. We got Jordy for 2 more years. Do I come out here and draft someone with the 20th overall pick? I mean, do we really need to draft someone with the 20th overall pick? Could we get? I'll take him. Maybe he turns out a Jokic, a black Jokic. Then that's our picks. We select all the rookies, right? Okay. Then we take a look at how much money do we have to spend. Oh no, we don't, because I gotta. Whoa. Oh wow. Okay, we took 2 years on. I could just give all of them the minimum. Think about this. MPJ is asking for the minimum. Zaire's asking for the minimum. Look on what I could get. Hold up. Look on what can I get. I could get a Sar. I could get Levine. Should I do it? Cameron Johnson. Welcome back to my team originally. And Cam Whitmore, because we needed it. Okay. So right, we got Igor, Cam. Then we got MPJ, Johnson back, and we're out. That's who I forgot to bring back. That's who I forgot to bring back, chat. I forgot to bring back Dayron. Dayron left us. Guess what? We finna replace him. So chat, that is our lineup going into next year. So want to see you guys at the end of the season. Peace. Again, MVP. Wemby, y'all can look at the awards right there. Do we have? Okay, Walter Kessler again on the Brooklyn Nets for the defensive first team. Do we get a better record than last year? And we're stuck in a fit. We're gonna always be in this playoff bracket. I don't know why. Can we make it past round 2? I'm gonna be honest with you. I have a blanket, so I'm comfortable. But hey, why are we losing easily now? Okay, it scared me for a second. I thought if we don't put belt to butt, okay, I don't care. We're the 7th seed with Nolan, Cam, MPJ, Noah. If this team does not take us somewhere with this, I'm gonna cry. Let's see if we can beat the double big lineup. Cam Whitmore, 6th man of the year. Game 1, we lose, and it's to Ant Edwards. Game 2, we lose, Ant drops 33. Game 3, we win. Whoa. Game 4, we win. Cam Whitmore might be the Cam Thomas of our team now. But the thing is, he plays off the bench, so he is the bench version of Cam Thomas. Cam Whitmore. We choked the lead away. Okay, Chad, we're doing one more year. One more year. I did everything to this team to make it good. And we get the 3rd overall pick. I think we have Jordy for one more year. Okay, Jordy, we're finna bring you the championship, Jordy. Right? This is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna get rid of this whole team. Nah, just kidding. But I don't know. What should I do? I could draft. Should I say F? But we're not doing a long. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck. Should I go out there and look for a better center? What are we missing? I don't know. You know what? We're gonna let the computer draft for me. Maybe the computer drafts some great rookies. Marcus Spears, Jordan Page. Oh no, I meant to bring back Jake Powell. Terrence Mann, Drake Powell. Welcome back on the team. And that's our lineup going back into next year. We're running it back. So I'm gonna see you guys. Yeah. 4th year in a row. 1. Marcus Spears. This man might carry us low key. Hey, we need it. This man might carry us. Walter Kessler on defensive 2nd team. We finally got out. We're the 3rd seed going against the Knicks. Let's see. I'm scared. Okay, good. Hey, we safe. Hey, sometimes you be out. Are we not going to make it past the 2nd? We have not made it past the 3rd round. That's why I'm closing my eyes. Please let us win. Please. I opened it too early. And we won. This man is nice. Miami, Holiday the 1st seed. Oh wow. It's just all the rookies. Chat. So this is the end of the video. I thought I pressed it. So hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe if you guys want another one. Make sure you hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Your boy is out. Alright, I'm out. Peace.